Good morning, everyone. This is the same chapter 3, exercise 3F, multiplication. So, some of the rules are there in this multiplication. That rules, if you know the rules, so it will be very easy for you to solve the sums in the exercise. So, I have written some rules that you see. And just to try to understand, I will just make you to understand what is the rules. So as per the properties are given, order property. Order means that it can be written as left. Suppose the product of two numbers does not change when the orders is changed. Suppose it is written here, example I have written 8 into 6, 48. We can write the 6 into 8, 48 also. So you can see 8 also you can write first, or 6 also you can write first. So order can be changed, but the result will be the same. So this is the order property. Then next property is multiplicative properties. So multiplicative property, what this means, if multiplicative property of 1, so that means if any number when it multiply with the 1, so that is the same number itself. So this only I have mentioned here. Suppose 20 into 1, so 20. So 98 into 1, that is 98. So like that, so many you can do that. So in this type of, some of the fill-ups are given in your exercise, or the first exercise of multiplication. So it will help you to solve them. Then another property is that number 3, multiplicative property of 0. As you know, the product of any number with the 0 is always 0. So suppose 9 into 0, so 0. 1056 into 0, then also 0. So that means if any number with multiply with the 0, so that answer result will be 0 only. So this is one of the another property. Then coming to another property of multiplicative, number by 10, 20, 30 or 90, etc. So what will be the answer? So as we know the multiplication, so first of all we will multiply by that particular number with a, suppose one example you can see here I have written 225 into 10. So in the 10, first digit is 1. So by the 1 I have multiplied with the 225, then it has come 225 only, and this is the 0, here only 1 0. So this 1 0 has come at the right of the number. So this will help you to multiply some other number also. So one more example you see I have done here. Suppose you have multiplied with the 4596 into 30. So 30, what you will do, by first digit is 3. So by the 3 you will multiply first. 3 you will multiply the whole number, and then whatever has come till this one is your answer. 13,788 will come, and this 0 at last you can write at the back of this number. So your answer has come 1,37,880. So this is the one very simple method which we can apply and we can do them very easily. So one more thing, if it is 100, 200 and 300, then multiply, what will be that? Same method we will apply here also. Here previous you can see there 1 0 only, but here 0 0. So 0 means we will multiply by the first number only, and then this 0 zeros we will write at the back of that number. So both the 0 we will write at the back of the number after multiply of the first digit. So same thing here, 1000, 2000, 3000 also we will do the same. So first digit we will multiply. Suppose here I have multiplied with 9,000. So 9,000 means, you see, by the 9 I have multiplied whole number, and then this much only my answer came. Then at the last, these 3 digits, 3 zeros I have written at the back of this number, and the whole answer is now this one. You can put the commas also accordingly Indian place value system. Suppose here 3 digit, then 2 digit, then 2 digit. So like that we can use. So in this way you can solve your that exercise, which is fill in the blanks are given, so that you can do them. And then main thing coming this word problems. Word problems, as you know, in the word problem, in the multiplication one, always they will give us one thing's cost and they will ask more than one. So here also the same, you can see in the 3H exercise, there the cost of 1 quintal, I have solved one question, 3H. Here you can see cost of 1 quintal is given this much, then they are asking cost of 397 quintals. So the simple thing, so first we will write at the statement cost of 1 quintal this much, so cost of 397 quintals, so 397 into this one, or you can write like that also, 1425 into 397. Same thing, as you know the rule, we can change it here and there, no problem. Then the multiply, as you are doing the multiplication, that way you will get it this answer. So we can, and always remember the multiplication we will not do in the rough side, you will do at the front of the question only, in the same place. So it because it is a fair work, so don't make this is in the back of the some other place and direct writing the answer, that is not good. So like this you will solve and write the answer. Always remember to write the unit also, so like rupees given, so rupees you will write. If they are asking quantity, so kg, gram, something, that accordingly you have to write. Now the one more you can see, the question number 8. Number of days are in the leap year, they were asking 366 days. So how many minutes are there? So as we know, number of minutes are in 1 day, 60 minutes. So total how many minutes are there? We will multiply with that 24 into 60. So our answer has come 1440 minutes. So this is 1 day. So same way in a whole leap year, 366 days are there in the leap year, as we know. So with the 366 we will multiply and then we will get this much, and put the commas also, first 3 digit, then 2 digits. So 5,27,040 minutes. So accordingly you will solve the other question also. Okay, thank you.